You may be an artist wanting to showcase your talent, an art institution who wants to list your art-related products and services, or a talent scout wanting to hire talents. But the problem is that no matter how talented, creative, enthusiastic, and passionate you might be, you are not going to reach anywhere without a suitable platform. That's where we come in. We are Smeem.com, an India-based online portal for art community, where one can find and hire artists, art support groups, and institutions. You can also meet new artists, rate them, explore new events in your city, buy tickets online, and much more. All you have to do is just register at Smeem.com by creating your profile. Artists can upload pictures, audio clips, and videos, whereas institutions update their products, services, location, and contact details for interested people to get in touch. Remember, your target segment is on Smeem. At Smeem, artists can find and apply for various openings and auditions, while the art institution will get the right kind of exposure by getting the people to check their product, services, events, team, and client testimonials. Talent scouts can even find out some incredible talent from all over the world. That means a one-stop shop for the whole art community. What's more, we don't take commission from artists and will provide interest-based content for the community through our feature called Beats. Now that's the kind of exposure you can't afford to miss. So don't wait. Visit Smeem.com today.